Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TOSCIDO X109 and let me share with you how to manage Google account on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find the accounts. Of course, right here we've got whole Google section and we can add or remove a Google account using it, but I personally prefer to do it using accounts. So after tapping on it, we have to pick add account, choose obviously Google. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. And from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone, so let me do it. What's more, you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it before the @ symbol, and after tapping on next your device will autofill it. Of course it will not work if you're using a phone number. Right now I have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it. And here you've got all the info you need. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so just tap on accept. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Of course, you can remove it whenever you want to. Just tap on it and tap on remove account. Tap on remove account again. Be aware that if you've got any kind of screen lock currently set, your device will ask you to enter it in order to confirm the whole step. And as you can see, our Google account immediately disappeared, which means that we just successfully removed it. So actually this is it. This is how to manage Google account in your TOSCIDO X109. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.